trail over there. Ooh, it's so squishy. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a muddy one. Oh my god, I'm like sinking in. Are you?
It's not so bad over here.
Okay.
A little bit actually. Oh yeah.
It's like quicksand.
I'm getting on this. We're gonna have to like leave our shoes outside the door.
Oh, I know.
I don't really want to do that, but put a towel or something.
I'm sure we can find somewhere to hose them off.
Yeah. Thinking about taking the 8 a.m. Wednesday class. It's so early.
The sculpting class?
Huh?
The sculpting class?
No, it's actually not a sculpting class. The 10:30 is sculpting. But I'd rather take a regular yoga class at 8 a.m.
It's not that early.
I know. It is though. Seems early.
Nah.
It's not that early.
It's not.
You're right.
We've got plenty of time.
Plenty of time. Take something to take care. So,
Just imagine how good you're gonna feel after that.
yeah, that's true.
You're gonna feel great.
It's really fun just to get to the class.
Yeah. No.
Oh my god. This thing is so loud, okay?
Okay.
And like, I turn it on and I'm like, oh my god, my neighbors are gonna kill me. So you think
Oh, okay. Yes, I remember now.
they told you about it?
No, you told me about the rock tumbler.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how it takes like 4 weeks
No.
to do it? So
Okay.
you have to run it. You have to run it 24 hours a day for 5 days for the first round. And then you have to run it like, and it takes about 4 weeks to get them done. But we're running continuously.
Is it
4
loud?
weeks.
You said it's loud?
It's so loud. It's like I'll get complaints.
But even in your sleep, you have to leave it on?
Yeah, you gotta just leave it on. So I was like, dude, Candace, this is so loud. Can I like come bring it to your house and like put it in your garage?
Oh my god.
Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna have to do because you can't just run that thing before my neighbors are gonna go insane.
So obviously it needs electricity, right?
Yeah, most garages have plugs and stuff.
No, I mean, like, is it like a washing machine for rocks?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's small.
Okay.
It's big.
But you just hear them clink, clink, clink.
Not even that. You hear that and you hear like the motor.
Oh.
It's like ridiculously loud. Like I was like, oh my god, Luke, you can't. There's no way. Plus, it's like you don't want that noise in your house for 4 weeks. That's just for some of the rocks.
Are you sure she's your friend?
I was like, Candace, what the hell? She goes, because I was like, Candace, that rock tumbler is so loud. She goes, I thought you were going to be like, Candace, that rock tumbler is so cool.
Oh my god.
And she goes, she thought it would be done in like 20 minutes. But no, it takes 4 weeks. Solid. Solid. And it's because in the National Geographic book, it was like, you need to be patient because it takes thousands of years for the ocean to smooth the rocks, you know? And you can just do it in 4 weeks.
You know, this is like worse than her buying you him a drum set.
It is? Yeah, no, she said that.
Yeah.
She goes, thanks for the drum set, Can. I was like, yeah, thanks a lot.
That's so brutal.
Well, not even that. It's like, there's just so much to do. So I'm going to go leave at her house for a week, right? And then I have to I have to bring the solution. And then I have to rinse them out, put more water in. It's not a big deal. Then put the other solution in, the step 2 solution. Another week. And
Yeah.
come back, do it for step 3. And come back do it for step 4.
You know, we could just take him to a lake.
Thousands of years. Thousands of years.
We could just take him to a lake and he can find some rocks that are smooth.
Oh my god. I really can't believe it takes that long.
That's hilarious.
So funny. I was like kind of stressed about it. I was like, I can't leave this thing running for that long. It's so loud. It sounds like a washing machine. Like as loud as my washing machine. 4 weeks straight.
I'm sorry.
Is that okay? Is that loud? I don't know.
That's really funny.
It's so loud. I'm gonna have to see.
To ask your
When you come
neighbors.
over, I'm gonna ask you if you think
Yeah.
it's that loud.
Okay.
Because maybe I'm just being sensitive. It seems so loud.
So funny. So this is the Waterfall Trail. just a road. So,
Is it really just a road?
no.
There's more to it.
Yeah, there's definitely more to it, but that plant looks sad.
I know. It definitely
It's
does.
like a limp dick.
Oh my god. Totally. That's sad.
Yeah,
Really
that's
now.
sad.
What is that?
It's like succulent, no?
Is that a succulent?
Looks like it.
A giant.
That's what she said.
A giant lips.
What are the odds it starts to rain?
You better shut your mouth.
Okay.
I'd say pretty good.
Oh,
So
damn.
let's look at the clouds.
Nope.
Look how pretty that looks.
Oh, wow.
That looks so rad.
Looks like a tornado
I
almost.
already feel like this is so worth it already.
I'm glad to hear it. Definitely gonna be empty-ish on the trail. For sure. All right. All right. Here's the trail.
Oh,
It's down there.
it's pure mud.
No, I think it's down there.
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought it was right there.
Whose idea was this?
I guess it was mine, but you found the waterfall hike.
I mean, I knew it might be a bad idea, but I also thought it might be a good idea.
The hike?
No, like because of the mud, you know?
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna roll my pants a little bit. Could you hold that for a sec?
Sure.
Show those legs off.
Yeah, baby.
Some hawks in the sky out there.
Oh, wow.
They're glitched. They're just hovering.
I know, it's crazy. They're glitched. The simulation is glitched.
Oh no. Down into the depths. All right. Here we go. No mask, no hike.
No what?
It says no mask, no hike.
Oh shoot.
No. We're good. All right, everybody. So this is the start of the trail. Don't take the road. That's a private road. Just take your left and let's do it.
I forgot my mask. I know.
Background.
I know.
This is LA.
Oh my god, so muddy. It feels like quicksand.
I know. It's a crazy idea. We're not gonna have any traction.
Oh god, baby. What if I like fall?
Eat shit.
Get my outfit all dirty.
I guess you can wash your clothes. Oh my god, I'm sinking.
I know, it's bad. We might be the only ones on this trail.
Yeah.
What?
This is crazy. Oh my.
The faster you go, the less you sink in.
I don't know if that's true.
Huh?
Oh shoot. I said I don't know if that's true.
The less of your body weight. Oh,
Maybe if we walk on the grass. Oh.
you alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
That was gonna happen to one of us. It's probably not the first time it's gonna happen.
I know. Oh, it's so slippery. Oh, I can't get it right now. It's so slippery. I got it. I just gotta go around.
Oh, you're so dirty. Uh-oh.
It's very slippery up here.
Where's the best place you think?
We should go this way. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. I might as well just slide down the trail.
I know, right?
Yeah. Definitely a good way to break these shoes in.
Well, I think the grass probably has more traction, you know?
Yeah.
I wonder if we go right there.
Is better?
Yeah.
Can't be afraid to get dirty.
Nope. Oh, it's a car.
Decide which is better. Yeah, you're right.
They're going to have to do a lot of zigzagging across.
You see them?
Yeah.
My own little.
Oh my gosh.
I have my own snowshoes now. Actually, it's pretty nice right here. It's so funny.
I saw someone on the trail over there, and I see like fresh tracks.
You know what? I saw some animal tracks too.
Well, these are like boots.
See, they could be dog prints.
No, I see boots.
Oh. But there's also animal right,
Oh.
right here.
Oh yeah.
Probably a dog.
Pooch.
Do you want to like wipe your hands off somewhere?
I'll wait till we get to like the water.
Oh yeah.
You're perfect. I was kidding.
Oh man. I was just thinking we're gonna have to take our shoes off in the car.
Yeah, we'll have to like take them off and beat them before we get in.
Yeah. Oh. I know more things. Oh, I jinxed you. It was like right as I said, what if I fall? And you fell.
It's all good.
Yeah.
I fell on my hand. I don't think I fell on my body.
Did it hurt a little? Or?
No. It's good. All right, let's see if we can clean off my hand a little bit. All right, we'll just have to do it on the way back.
You can wipe it off on my pants.
No, no.
Wash them.
It's okay.
Okay.
I do have a pair of underwear in my backpack. Can you grab that real quick?
Yeah.
I'll just... Deep down in there. Thank you. We have a towel now.
Yeah. That's perfect. Do you need anything?
Nope.
Oh my gosh.
I just want to take some video here, so I want to use my camera. My hands are dirty.
Do you want me to spit on them with my water?
My hands?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can do it without.
I have a water bottle inside of the backpack. Okay, perfect. A little more? That's good. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Carry a fresh pair of underwear. This could be a really gross pair of underwear.
I'm censoring myself because of that camera.
Oh, okay. What were you gonna say?
I was gonna say, did you bring those in case you poop yourself?
Oh. No, I think they were just left in there. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, you never know. I mean, you could totally poop yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Do you mind throwing that in the side pocket?
Sure.
My dirty, crusty underwear. Do you guys see all this effort I do for you?
It's kind of like, hey guys, one of the things you should bring hiking is a pair of underwear.
Just in case.
Just in case. You never know when you're gonna need it.
Something. See, this is what I do for you guys. Do you see what Chelsea has to put up with?
I like it.
That's why I keep you around. All right. Nice. Ready? Okay. Let's try not to fall.
I'm like gonna skip actually with both hands.
It's a recipe for disaster. Oh, doesn't this look cool? Going down.
So pretty. I love it.
Thanks for spitting on my hands. Much
I
appreciated.
was actually thinking I was really gonna spit on your hands,
Oh,
but then I didn't realize that I could do this. I was gonna get the water in my mouth and spit on your hands.
for a second there, I wasn't sure like what you meant, but
No, that's actually what I meant. And then I was like, oh, this works. This is a little cleaner. I like literally just found out like this year that I could lock the camel back so it doesn't grip.
oh yeah?
Yeah.
I remember, oh, they're fighting. Blue jays. Oh, that tree's crazy.
That's really cool. Beautiful. You want to climb it?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know if we can, but I haven't climbed a tree in a long time. Want me to climb it? I don't know if I can.
Looks pretty sketch.
Yeah, it looks sketchy. It just looks like it'd be cool to sit on. No, it's too slippery. It'd be cool to like hang out up there.
Yeah. Kiss in the tree.
What?
Kiss in the tree.
It's really rad. It's a rad tree. Can you take a picture of it too?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna send this to Candace for those trees.
How do you want it, like this?
Yeah, I like the best angle you could get.
Whoa, that looks crazy.
So crazy. Yeah, Candace will love that. She's having a bad day.
Here's a tree for you.
She'll be like, oh, it's magical. It's so magical.
The energy for the tree.
No, for sure. Like, it's really a nice hike, actually.
Yeah.
I like it. It's different from like the Orange County deserty, you know,
Yeah, it's like kind of coastal.
it's got trees. Great. Now when I go hiking with Carol, her hiking shoes are gonna be so pretty, and mine are gonna be all muddy.
Well, here's our battle worn. This is the first hike in the shoes. So far, she hasn't fallen.
That's a good point. They
Yeah.
have a lot of really good grip on the bottom, and I kind of just feel like they're extremely comfortable.
I should have worn the other ones because they're like more
The-
grippy.
Yeah.
I should have worn them. But-
Actually, it does make a difference.
Yeah.
Like if I were running my Asics,
Oh no, you would suffer.
I'd be suffering because they're just running shoes.
These ones are just like,
Carol said that make really cool prints. Oh, you can't tell right now because there's some mud on them. What are those?
these are just like easy, more accessible. So I was like, I just grabbed them, you know?
Oh, okay.
My other ones are tucked away, hidden away. Oh, I'm like sticking to the ground. How's it going?
Very good, man. How you doing?
Good. How's the falls?
It's good, man.
All right. Right on.
Into it.
I don't know.
You looking at my shoes?
No, I just feel like
You feel good.
a
Squishy?
sinking.
It's squishy.
Oh yeah, very squishy. You're feeling me 10 pounds heavier after this hike.
There's so much grip that everything's just securing onto it. Yeah, these shoes are comfortable. Like, I don't feel any blistering or anything.
Oh, they're thicker.
They're just
Like-
flexible.
Oh, nice.
You know, they're not hard. Feels really nice. Let's see.
Yeah, right?
This one seems sketchy, but it has more room.
Well, we'll find out.
I don't want to fall in the mud. I have to wear your underwear.
Ew. I wouldn't want to wear those now. Whoa, what was that?
Is it like something you just kicked in?
No, I was like an animal.
Yeah, I don't know.
Some sort of like lizard or something. That's not the way. I'm sure people in like Colorado and other rainier parts are like, "Pfft,"
These guys are sissies.
right? Oh, they probably have like proper hiking boots, you know?
Well, yeah. It's like, you just have to get used to it.
Yeah.
There's definitely probably more mud boots. These are more like trail running shoes that we're wearing.
Yeah. But I mean, this rarely
They're
happens.
lightweight.
This rarely ever happens here, you know?
I know.
Oh, there, just in case you lose your shoes.
What'd you say? Oh.
Just in case. Smells good.
Yes.
These are crazy looking. I don't know if they are though. So let's talk about food.
I'm not hungry anymore.
Oh, that's true. You had your smoothie.
I'm like actually very full with all the protein, I think. But I brought HelloFresh.
Okay, you
But
want?
not the one from that you picked, because we ate that yesterday.
Oh, was it good?
Yeah, Luke and I ate the schnitzel. So it's like it's chicken with some kind of pasta on the side.
Cool.
Yeah.
I guess we don't have to go out.
Oh, it's
I promised you to take you out, so.
Oh, it's totally up to you if you want to go out.
Cause I thought we'd have lunch and dinner together, but
Yeah, totally.
I guess we don't really have. I'm not that hungry right now. I'm just saying.
For sure.
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind like
Little snack.
cooking together tonight if we could go out another time or something.
Okay.
I mean, this is a lot for one day. For this
A lot of food. Yeah.
Nowadays, it's like, whoa. It's like a lot.
What do you mean?
Like a lot. Like I'm used to being inside most of the time.
Oh.
I can totally be exposed to the outside world a little longer, I guess.
Yeah. Right. It's like, okay, I'm outside my house now.
Yeah, basically. Once you get out, it's good.
I wonder if this is where the fires were.
Probably.
Hmm.
I'm gonna say yes.
How'd you figure that out, Steve?
Unless the trees are just naturally black. They might be.
Well, very interesting.
Yeah, they're really black.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are we gonna turn left or right?
I think it's. Oh, you mean like? I always turn left. I think
Oh, okay. I wasn't
fine.
sure if you like switched it up.
it's my preferred side. We could switch it up.
That would really screw me up.
It feels nice to get out.
It does.
I've been playing Call of Duty inside for like 4 days in a
Oh my
row.
god. I don't understand you boys and females who play Call of Duty.
It's really
Is
fun.
there a lot of girls that play on the teams?
No, there's not. There's definitely more boys who play,
Yeah.
but there are some. But they suck. Just kidding. Just
Ooh,
kidding.
better take that off.
No, I'm
Your
gonna keep it
female
on.
Subscribers.
I don't have any female subscribers. It's fine.
You have some.
I know. I've got like 84.
It's like a misogynistic thing.
Well, if any girl wants to challenge me,
To Call of Duty.
bring it on. No, but like the best players right now are pretty much men. You know?
I wonder why.
I think we just play more competitive with it.
Yeah. When we're out there raising children and
No,
working and things
that's not why.
I'm just kidding.
No, I'll obviously just stirring the pot.
Just messing with
I'm canceled now.
you. Unsubscribe. This guy's like 10 followers.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, he's gonna blow up.
Yeah, because all my clients are starting to follow. I think he's so cute.
So what was your recording?
Just like, he was like, hey guys, I got a GoPro now.
Oh, look, you can see the falls.
Oh my god.
Nice.
He goes, my YouTube videos are finally going to be good because I have a GoPro. He's like, but they were already good.
Now they're even better.
Yeah. Oh, this is amazing. This is like, it's a high waterfall.
Yeah. Awesome. Perfect.
And he was like, guys, I might change my name to Golden Bro because that's my Fortnite name.
What? It was Kobe Bryant or Toby Bryant? You guys should follow Toby Bryant.
No, when you look
Oh.
at Toby Bryant, it shows the guy with like a girl's butt on the. It's really funny. My client looked it up. She's like, "Oh my god!" She showed me. I was like, "Whoa, that's not Luke's."
So how do you find him?
Mom has to send you the link.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how to find him yet.
I know. I'll post a link to his video up here. You guys can follow him.
Oh, perfect.
Done and
Oh,
done.
you're gonna get him famous.
He's gonna get me famous.
That's true. Oh my god.
We can play off each other.
Yeah, that's right.
We can do a collab.
I love it.
8-year-old teaches noob how to play Fortnite.
He was playing Roblox the other day, and like he's like, all of a sudden has this new best friend, and they keep saying like to each other, "You're so nice. You're so nice. You're my best friend."
Oh.
And then the other kid goes, "Best friends forever."
Oh.
But then of course I'm like, he's probably some freaking crazy 30-year-old dude. I'm like, you tell me everything he says.
You think so?
I don't know.
Does he sound like an old guy?
No. Well, they don't. You can't hear them.
Oh.
So I told him, I was like, don't tell anybody your name. your address. Don't tell them anything about you. You can be friends with them, but don't say anything. You know? I don't know if it's safe.
Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Usually they can voice chat with each other.
I don't know if you can for Roblox.
Oh, not on Roblox. Gotcha.
Yeah. Fortnite, yeah.
That'd be so creepy.
Yeah, right?
This is epic. Are they jumping? It sounds like they're swimming.
No way.
That's what it sounds like.
It's good to know that we come back after in some. Because how do you know why?
Hi. What's that? Maybe. How's it going? Whoa. Perfect timing. Crazy. Made it. There's a bunch of birds in there.
Is that kind of like a trail or something?
I think so. Looks like it. I think you can get to the top of the falls, you know?
Are we gonna go?
Maybe. We'll see how muddy it is, you know?
Yeah.
Because it might be pretty slippery. Wow. Pretty sweet.
It's so pretty.
Nice job.
Me too. This is easy.
Yeah,
Okay,
it
good.
was easy.
Yeah.
How many miles is that?
1.77.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. We have 3 minutes to spare. Wow. Well, we made it. Crazy on a rainy day,
Yeah. Nice and muddy.
right? Awesome. Well, that was the POV. First time trying it out. Let me know if you guys like it down in the comments below. But it was a pretty sweet falls, pretty easy trail. 1.7 miles to get here, and yeah, I like it. No thoughts.
No.
Okay.
I'm on the spot.
Let's get a closer look. All right. Yeah. Wow. Very cool. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.